Hello everyone! Welcome to Golden Top 10, a channel for amazing facts and information. In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 best universities in the world. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss any part of the video worth seeing, and make sure to subscribe to Golden Top 10 and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our future uploads. The World University Rankings 2020 features 1,000 of the most prestigious universities in the world, ranked based on a methodology that assesses each institution on 13 metrics, including its reputation amongst academics and employers. These institutions from the US and more than 80 other countries have been ranked based on 13 indicators that measure their academic research performance and their global and regional reputations. Students can use these rankings to explore the higher education options that exist beyond their own country's borders and to compare key aspects of schools' research missions. But which 10 institutions stood out amongst the rest to be ranked in the top 10 in the world? Keep watching to find out. Here are the top 10 best universities in the world. Number 10. University of Chicago, United States. The University of Chicago is a private research university in Chicago, Illinois. Founded in 1890, its main campus is located in Chicago's Hyde Park neighborhood. It enrolled 16,445 students in fall 2020, including 6,286 undergraduates and 10,159 graduate students. Down one place this year but remaining in the top 10, the U.S. University of Chicago earns its best score for the Academic Reputation Indicator. Number 9. UCL, University College London, United Kingdom. University College London, which operates as UCL, is a public research university located in London, United Kingdom, and a member institution of the Federal University of London. Up 2 places this year, UCL, University College London, is now the highest-ranked institution in UK capital London, earning its highest score for academic reputation. Number 8. ETH Zurich, Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, Switzerland. ETH Zurich is a public research university in the city of Zurich, Switzerland. Founded by the Swiss federal government in 1854 with the stated mission to educate engineers and scientists, the school focuses exclusively on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Switzerland's ETH Zurich is up 1 place this year and continues to be the highest-ranked institution in continental Europe, with its best score in the Citations per Faculty Indicator, a measure of research impact. Number 7. Imperial College London, United Kingdom. The UK's Imperial College London is also down in 1 place this year, but continues to earn a very impressive score for the Employer Reputation Indicator. Imperial College London is a public research university in London. Imperial grew out of Prince Albert's vision of an area for culture, including the Royal Albert Hall, Imperial Institute, numerous museums, and the Royal Colleges that would go on to form the college. Number 6. California Institute of Technology, Caltech, United States. The California Institute of Technology, or Caltech, is a world-renowned science and engineering research and education institution where extraordinary faculty and students seek answers to complex questions, discover new knowledge, lead innovation, and transform the future. The alumni and faculty of Caltech have been awarded 39 Nobel Prizes, 1 Fields Medal, 6 Turing Awards, and 71 United States National Medal of Science or Technology. 4 chief scientists of the U.S. Air Force have also attended the institution. Caltech is down 1 place in 2020, but has the distinction of earning the best scores in the top 10 for the faculty-to-student ratio and citations per faculty member indicator. Number 5. Harvard University, United States. Dating back to 1636, Harvard University is the oldest university in the U.S. and is regarded as one of the most prestigious in the world. It was named after its first benefactor, John Harvard, who left his library and half his estate to the institution when he died in 1638. Harvard retains its position of 3rd in the world, as well as being 1st for the academic and employer reputation indicators. Number 4. University of Cambridge, United Kingdom. The University of Cambridge is a collegiate research university in Cambridge, United Kingdom. Founded in 1209 and granted a royal charter by Henry III in 1231, Cambridge is the 2nd oldest university in the English-speaking world and the world's 4th oldest surviving university, and one of the most prestigious academic institutions in the world. The University of Cambridge goes down a spot in the 2020 World University Rankings, but remains one of the 10 best universities in the world, with perfect scores for its academic and employer reputations. Number 3. Stanford University, United States. Stanford University, located near Silicon Valley, continues to rank second among the top universities in the world and earns its best score for its academic reputation. Located in the heart of Silicon Valley, Stanford University was founded in 1885 by Jane and Leland Stanford to promote the public welfare by exercising an influence on behalf of humanity and civilization. Since opening in 1891, Stanford's faculty and students have worked to improve the health and well-being of people around the world through the discovery and application of knowledge. Breakthroughs at Stanford include the first successful heart-lung transplant, the debut of the computer mouse, and the development of digital music. Number 2. University of Oxford, United Kingdom. The University of Oxford is the oldest university in the English-speaking world and the world's second oldest surviving university. While its exact founding date is unknown, there is evidence that teaching took place as far back as 1096. Located in and around Oxford's medieval city centre, the university comprises 44 colleges and halls and over 100 libraries, making it the largest library system in the UK. The University of Oxford climbs one place in the World University Rankings this year and continues to be the highest ranked in the UK, with perfect scores for its reputations among academics and graduate employers. Number 1. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, United States. And finally, MIT is once again the leader in the World University Rankings, taking the spot for the 8th year running, with top 10 scores for its academic reputation, employer reputation, and citations per faculty member. Massachusetts Institute of Technology is a private land-grant research university in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Established in 1861, MIT has since played a key role in the development of modern technology and science, ranking it among the most prestigious academic institutions in the world. And that was it for this video. What do you think about our video? Tell us in the comments below. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to Golden Top 10 and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.